Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. I think you are enjoying study through videos on YouTube channel of Suleiman Farsi Campus. In last video, we learned about cyclones and anticyclones. I have also given homework related to last topic. Hope you got all the points and you completed your homework. Here I will just revise the main points of that topic, cyclones and anticyclones. We read about cyclones that winds generally blow in one direction, but sometimes they spin around in a spiral movement. In a cyclone, the winds move at high speed in anti-clockwise direction around a central point, and that central point is called an eye. The wind speed is very low in the center or eye of the cyclone. And when spiral winds blow in a clockwise direction, this is called an anticyclone. Anticyclone winds are gentle and bring fine weather. Now I will explain further points of this chapter. Winds and cyclone. Other names for storms are tornado, hurricanes, and typhoons. First, I will explain tornado. A tornado is a destructive spinning funnel shaped cloud which destroys everything in its way. Destructive means damaging, very harmful. So, what is meant by spinning? As you can see how washing machine works due to spinning of its wheel in the tub of machine. Another example of car tires movement. And one of the very common example is spinner, which is your most favorite playing item. And as you know about funnel, that is used in your science lab in school and also in your home for pouring or filtering liquids like oil, milk. You can see in these pictures. सो टोर्नेडो यानी तूफान बहुत ही नुकसानदेह फनल शेप्ड का क्लाउड और गोल घूमने वाले चक्कर की मानद होता है, जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं। और इसकी स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, जिसकी वजह से ये अपने रास्ते में आने वाली हर चीज़ को तहस नहस कर देता है, यानी तबाह कर देता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको समझ आ गई कि टोर्नेडो क्या होता है। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप समझ चुके होंगे। Our next point is hurricane. A hurricane is a violent storm with strong winds. As you can see the picture of hurricane. हरिकेन बहुत ही शदीद, वायलेंट मीन्स के शदीद तूफान होता है और बहुत ही तेज़ हवा की मानद हरिकेन होता है। Now I will explain characteristics of tornado and hurricane. tornado and hurricane form over the sea and can be only a few hundred meters across. But wind speeds can be much as 400 to 600 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये दोनों यानी कि हरिकेन और टोर्नेडो समुद्र की सतह के ऊपर बनते हैं. इनमें से कुछ तकरीबन 100 मीटर्स तक रहते हैं. मीन्स कि वो इससे ज़्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ते, इससे आगे ज़्यादा फैलते नहीं. लेकिन हवा की जो रफ्तार होती है वो बहुत तेज़ होती है, जो कि 400 से 600 किलोमीटर तक पर आवर तक होती है. और बाज़ औकात मीन्स कि समटाइम टोर्नेडो और हरिकेन समुद्र से बहुत ज़्यादा मिक़दार में पानी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, जज़्ब कर लेते हैं. और ये समुद्र में स्वर्लिंग कॉलम यानी ट्विस्टिंग मूवमेंट, स्वर्लिंग कॉलम में मूवमेंट ट्विस्टिंग मूवमेंट होती है. जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं ट्विस्टिंग मूवमेंट कैसे होती है. तो इस स्वर्लिंग कॉलम में पानी एक चक्कर की तरह मूव कर रहा होता है. और इस स्वर्लिंग कॉलम को यानी चक्कर की माने इस मूवमेंट को हम ट्विस्टर या वाटर स्पाउट कहते हैं. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ट्विस्टर और वाटर स्पाउट? Twister or water spout is a swirling column of water sucked up by winds from the sea. And in dry places like Balochistan in Pakistan, twisting column of air sometimes sucks up huge quantities of sand, and that is called dust devil. And students, do you know what is a tornado called in Pakistan? It is called an andhi when it is over land and a tufan over the sea. And in Arabic and Persian, it also called tufan. Typhoon. The word typhoon, which means storm, may have come from the word tufan, which means the same. So, after the detailed discussion of tornado and hurricane, here is question. What can happen because of tornado or hurricane? Means destructive effects of tornado and hurricane. The tornado often moves from sea to land, where it can damage, destroying houses and lifting cars into the air for distance of over a kilometer. Tornadoes also affect environment by destroying buildings and trees. Also kill animals, destroy our farms, and due to destroying of farms, which means there will be food shortage, and after everything is destroyed, humans have to rebuild. So now in this video, I hope you learned more about cyclones, anticyclones, winds, and about storms. At the end, here is some short questions for you. You have to write these questions on your neat copies, and answers should be written in 2 or 3 lines. You can easily find answers of these easy questions from this video and the previous video. Here is question answers on your screen. First question is define cyclones. You will define about cyclones in 2 or 3 lines. Question number 2. What do you know about anticyclones? Students, can you do this question? Of course, you can do it. Question number 3 is what is strong and gentle wind called? In previous video, you learned about strong and gentle wind. Listen again this video, then you will easily do this question on your copies. Second last question, question number 4 is define tornado or hurricane. Question number 5 is define twister, water spout and dust devil. So students, you got all the points. I hope you all are enjoying and taking interest in watching and listening videos related to your subjects and completing your given task. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and best wishes for your good health. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.